Install the battery. Screw the battery cover. Currently, you must screw it lightly. Insert the lock. Press the lock button. It will sound 3 BBB. Then it will lock automatically. The unit can't lock if the step is wrong. Click this application. Connect only the model. Enter the original password. Factory password is 123456. Application will show of connect. Click the unlock. Then you can press the lock bar and pull out cable. Click automatically lock. No need to operate application. Tips: switch on the Bluetooth to unlock. Switch off the Bluetooth to lock.